Welcome back to Ballards by Design. Today, y'all, we're making a quick and easy lunch, so y'all stay tuned to the end. We are having sausage dogs with onions and peppers with a side of fries. Y'all ready for me to show y'all how I make them? Sure you are. Come on. All right, let's get started. All right, so first I'm gonna go ahead and get these fries into the air fryer. Now, I do spray them with vegetable oil. That helps crisp them up a bit. I set the air fryer to 380 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes, shaking in between, okay? Now, everything else will be prepared on my griddle. So I am just adding some margarine to the top of the griddle so that I can toast up the buns. Now, y'all, these brioche buns from Walmart are the bomb. I just love them. They taste great. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my buns to the griddle, and I am going to toast them on all sides. Now, if you don't want to toast your buns, you don't have to do that. I just think that it makes the sausage dogs taste that much better. Okay, and it gives the bread a nice little crisp on the outside, and then they remain soft on the inside. Okay, so once the buns are toasted, you're gonna go ahead and set them aside. This is how they will look, nice and toasty all the way around. Alright, buns done, so moving on to the sausage. Now, I'm using chicken sausage, and these actually have cheese in them. And so, what I did not show you guys is that I scored them at the top. I just put 3 little slits at the top with my knife, y'all, so that they cook evenly. And, of course, some of that cheese does bubble out. You can feel free to use whatever sausage you like. It doesn't have to be these. You can use Polish, you can use turkey, you can use beef, whatever you want, okay? Now, while those are cooking, I'm going to go ahead and chop up my onions and bell peppers. So I'm using a yellow and a red bell pepper and a red onion. Now, y'all, why do they call them red onions when they clearly they're purple? I don't understand that. But anyway, I'm just turning my sausage because you want them to cook evenly all the way around. Now, as you can see, they are kind of sticking. That's the cheese, y'all. We like it like that because it forms a little crust on the outside of the sausage, and that makes them even more better, okay? So after those are done cooking, you're going to remove those as well and set them to the side. Now, y'all, these sausages were hot on my fingertips. I was trying to let y'all get a little look-see so y'all could see the crust that it formed with the cheese bubbling out on them. But, y'all, they were so hot. Anyway, now that the sausage and the buns are done, we're going to go ahead and do our veggies. So I cleaned the griddle off a bit, and I'm adding more margarine to cook the vegetables down. All right, and y'all, you can cook your veggies however you like them. You can cook them down to be as soft as you want, or if you like them a little crunchier, of course, you know, just cook them a little bit less time, okay? Cook them how you like them. Now, one thing you should know is I did kick the heat up on my griddle, so I turned it up to 400 from 350, y'all. Now, you want to season your vegetables too, okay? I'm using Tony Chachere's because it's a good seasoning, and I put that on just about everything. But y'all, feel free to season yours with whatever seasons you like, as long as you season them. Don't y'all just cook them veggies down and don't put nothing on them now, okay? Put some on them, some salt, some pepper, some something, all right? Okay. Our onions and peppers are done, so now it's time to remove them from the heat. Now, y'all can't tell me this wasn't a quick and easy lunch, okay? Well, all there's left to do now is assemble your sausage dogs so you can eat, okay? Now listen, you can dress these with whatever condiments you like. Mustard, relish, ketchup, it don't matter. But if you stick with me, okay, because I make them where they taste real good now. So I'm going to use barbecue sauce and mustard, okay? Now, we use Head Country barbecue sauce because that is the best barbecue sauce you can buy, all right, on the market. It's real good. So you just drizzle you on some barbecue sauce, and then you put you a little bit of mustard on there too. The sweet and tangy together, y'all, it be bussin', all right? So try it like that, all right? And then just add your sausage and peppers to the top and you done. Get your fries out of the air fryer. And y'all, it's time to eat. Or if you don't want fries, you can eat it with some chips. You can eat it with some coleslaw. You can eat it with potato salad. Y'all, the combination is endless, okay? So eat whatever side with them you want, or don't eat no sides at all. But make sure you make these dogs, though, because you're going to be glad you did. All right? Okay. Now, I'm just adding a little more barbecue sauce to the top because I want to. You don't have to. And that's it, y'all. Sausage dogs with onions and peppers, and we having fries on the side. Well, it's time for husband to eat lunch, so let's get on in here and take him his plate and see what he thinks about it. And y'all, don't mind his office, okay? It might be a little bit messy, but that's all right. It's a working office. He's a hard-working man. Lunchtime has been.
Oh, I need it.
I gotta turn your light on. It's too dark.
Okay. All right.
Okay, hold on. Let me turn your light on. All right.
Oh, yeah. This looks great. Fries.
Yeah. With your spicy Whataburger ketchup.
You know I like that. I need this too, because...
You working hard, baby.
Working hard.
Well, we appreciate your hard work.
It's good with the onions.
And peppers.
And the peppers. Lunchtime for me. Y'all make it. It's delicious.
All right, y'all. Let's let them babies taste.
Peace.
Yeah, my baby tasting the sausage dog with onions and peppers. She put a lot of onions and peppers on hers.
Hopefully it ain't too much, but let's see.
Good
That's
quick
real good.
lunch. Go chew it up here.
That's real good with the mustard and barbecue on there. And the peppers and onion, that's real good too.
All right, y'all. So y'all heard my baby. Y'all heard the daddy now. Y'all go ahead and make it. This is a quick, easy lunch, and it is delicious. Well, that's it for this episode. All right, y'all. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, share. And we will catch y'all on the next video. Love
Peace
y'all.
out.